Everything begins with the earth. From tiny seeds in fertile soil, buckwheat grows strong under the open sky. Harvested with care, it arrives at our factory, where every grain is prepared with precision and respect. Then comes water, the essence of life, poured generously over our tea blend. It awakens natural flavors and carries purity into every cup. Fire gives strength. It transforms the blend, releasing the warm, nutty aroma that makes nature's own factory tea. And air completes the cycle. Gentle steam rises, lifting the essence of the tea and filling the moment with calm. The fifth element of nature, the spirit, is the energy that brings the ritual to life, completing the circle of nature. From the heart of this harmony, nature's own factory tea is crafted, here in the UAE, to offer moments of calm and connection in every cup. Nature's own factory, born in Dubai, made for the world.